Yeah, maybe. Oh, I unplugged it. I stepped on the plug. Oh, sorry. There's a lot of buzzing going on over here. You guys are all about that.
See his hat, Callie?
Huh?
See his hat over there? Well, they're all stacked up on his hat. What are you doing here, Mary?
Getting brave for a minute.
Getting brave for a minute? They're actually flying around, but they're not very aggressive. Just leave them alone. They're snooping. Oh yeah. Found that too. We're gonna have to they want to put a piece of plywood over that hole when they're done. Make sure that the queen's not in there, because they said if the queen's there, they all go right back in there. So, I mean, see on the back wall? Up on top where he's vacuuming, that's still all honeycomb. There's like 4 or 5 layers thick all the way from the outside wall to the inside wall. Just one like this, one right after the other. And he's got to get a second bucket because he's running out of room. You're going to need a dump truck. Only if you're lucky, right?
It's honey, it's delicious.
Here, Callie.
Yeah, you can totally
Here.
Is there any bees on it?
No, here, take it. That's pure honey. Wow. That's really good.
Did I catch it on the bees?
Just stand still. Stop freaking out. Just stand still.